Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours scrolling through cute animal videos and thought, wow, this stuff just goes viral, you're absolutely right. Animal videos are some of the most popular content on the internet, and today, I'm going to show you how you can tap into that cuteness overload and turn it into a serious income. Imagine making $10,000 a month just reposting adorable animal content. Yep, it's possible, and I'm going to break down exactly how you can do it, step by step. So grab a notebook, because we're diving right in. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Alright, first things first, picking the right type of animal content. Now, animal videos might seem broad, but trust me, the more specific you can get, the better. Think about what people love watching. Maybe it's funny cats, adventurous dogs, or exotic animals. A niche makes your page stand out, and it also helps with targeting your audience. Once you've chosen a niche, like funny cat fails, or pet tricks, you'll be ready to attract a dedicated fan base that loves that exact type of content. Step 2. Finding viral content. Now that you've got a niche, it's time to source content. Here's the trick. You don't need to create all the videos yourself. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are gold mines for viral animal content. Just remember, always give credit to the original creators and, if possible, reach out for permission. Here's how you do it. 1. Head to TikTok or Instagram and search for keywords in your niche, like funny cat or dog tricks. 2. Look for videos with high engagement, tons of likes, shares, and comments. 2. Viral videos will help your account grow faster. 3. Once you find a video, reach out to the creator to get permission to repost. 3. Many will be happy to let you share their video, especially if you tag them. Think of yourself as a curator. Your job is to find the best animal content and showcase it on your page. Step 3. Setting up your page. So, you've got a niche, and you've found some great content. Now it's time to set up a page where all these adorable videos will live. Whether you're using Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, branding is key. Here's a quick guide to setting up an eye-catching page. 1. Choose a catchy name. Go with something fun and easy to remember like Pet Flicks or Possum Clips. 2. Create a cute logo. Your logo should scream, adorable, and hint at the type of content you're posting. 3. Write a fun bio. Let people know what your page is all about. 3. Something like, bringing you the cutest pets on the planet, daily. Having a strong, consistent brand is what will make people remember you and come back for more. Plus, it'll make your page look professional, which is essential if you're aiming to grow and monetize it. Step 4. Posting and growing your page. Now, the key to going viral and making real money lies in posting consistently. Aim to post at least once a day. If you're using platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, you're in luck, because these platforms prioritize short, viral content. Some posting tips to maximize reach. Timing is everything. Post when your target audience is most active. For animal videos, evenings and weekends tend to work well because people are relaxing and more likely to scroll. Hashtags. Use popular and niche-specific hashtags like #funnyAnimals, #petfails, and #cuteanimals. This will help get your videos discovered. Engage with followers. Comment back, ask questions, and create a little community. The more engagement your page has, the more reach it will get. The goal here is to get your videos shared as much as possible, and consistency is what's going to push you there. Step 5. Monetizing your content. Alright, here's the part we've all been waiting for. How do you actually make money? Once you've got an engaged audience and consistent views, there are several ways to start raking in cash. Ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and Facebook allow you to earn ad revenue once you're eligible. YouTube Shorts, for example, has a $100 million fund for creators with viral videos. So, if one of your videos takes off, you could get a nice payout. Brand deals and sponsorships. Many pet brands, like pet food, toys, and accessories, are looking to advertise on popular pet pages. Once your page is established, reach out to brands or add a contact email in your bio for sponsorship inquiries. Brands might pay you per post or offer affiliate commissions for every sale made through your link. Merchandise. If your page takes off, why not create some fun merch? T-shirts, mugs, or even pet accessories with your logo or cute animal sayings can bring in a surprising amount of revenue. Sites like Teespring or Printful make it easy to get started with zero upfront cost. Affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money, especially on a pet page. Platforms like Amazon have a massive range of pet products. Link to your favorite ones in your bio or comments, and you'll earn a commission for every purchase made through your link. With just a few viral posts, the income can start rolling in. Combining multiple income streams is where the real money is at. Step 6. Scaling your page to $10,000 per month. So, let's talk about getting to that $10,000 a month goal. With animal videos, reaching this level isn't impossible, but it takes strategy. Here's how to scale up. 1. Double down on what works. Once you know what type of content your audience loves, double down. 1. If funny cat videos are getting the most engagement, post more of those. 2. Work with other pages. Collaborate with other pet pages for shoutouts or content swaps. 2. This is a powerful way to get exposure to their audience. 3. Experiment with ads. Once you have a decent following, try running a few ads to boost your most viral posts. 3. This could help you reach more people and grow your page even faster. The more you grow, the more you can charge for brand deals, and the more consistent your ad revenue and affiliate sales will become. At this point, you'll have a full business on your hands, bringing in money just from reposting viral animal content. So there you have it, folks. That's the step-by-step guide to making $10,000 a month reposting animal videos. If you love cute animals and want to build a business around them, this could be your dream gig. Let me know in the comments if you try this out or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.